So we got a Nissan Pathfinder here. Customer came in for misfire. Luckily, the cylinder that it's misfiring was on the front here, so we didn't have to pull the intake. Easiest thing to do first was to swap the ignition coils. Misfire stayed on that cylinder, and it's really bad misfire, so we pulled the plug. The plug's got some unburnt fuel on it, and it's real carboned up, but didn't look too bad. So our next step is we want to do a compression test because it's such a bad misfire. And looks like we've got about 140 psi, which really isn't too bad. So we need to go on from there. It's going to be an injector or spark plug. Okay, so here we have a spark plug tester, so we can actually compare the bad plug and a plug that we know is good. And the good plug is firing, and the one that's misfiring on, we have nothing. So we need to start with throwing some spark plugs in there. Running great. I guess diagnostics done. She's all fixed.